Welcome to a new SessionBox 1 tutorial. In this video, you're going to see the extra features in SessionBox 1. Firstly, we are going to explore cookie import. Let's open the context menu on a preferred profile and choose cookies. Here, you have the option to export cookies if necessary. Now, our choice is the import cookies option. Let's paste the needed parameters, then press on import cookies. Now we successfully made our importation. Let's move forward to the next feature. With Password Manager, we can easily add our datas without the need of filling the current fields out. To begin with, we need to start Workstation first. If you want to make a shortcut, press Ctrl, Alt, and W. Great job! Let's open a desired website where we want to have our data filled automatically. Copy the URL. Now, on the top right corner, press the key icon. Let's click on Add New. Firstly, we have to make sure that the URL we want to save is correctly matching the current website. By this said, let's paste the already copied URL here. Choose a name, username, and password. Click Save. When filling in specific data, click on the key icon and select the created password account. Also, we have the option of editing or deleting the account, copying the given data, or opening it on a new tab. The next feature is the customizable shortcuts. Firstly, let's open Workstation. Go to the up right corner and click on the context menu. Choose Shortcut Manager. Here you can see all the manageable options. If you wish to make changes, simply press the Removes button and hold down the desired combination. Additionally, accessing the general settings will open the pop-up where you can locate the Manage Shortcut feature. Global shortcuts will give you the option to change the SessionBox 1 starting combinations. Thank you for being with us in this video and stay tuned for our SessionBox 1 tutorials.